Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Creative ZEN Hybrid Headphone. Now this is a wireless over-ear headphones with hybrid active noise cancellation. So let's see what is inside the box here. I'm going to open it up. So I'm just going to try to pull out this flap right here. It's got a tape on it. So here I'm going to try to pry it out. Okay, and once we put it out, we can open up the top. Now it is placed inside a bag. So the whole headphone comes inside a bag. It comes with a USB-C charging cable and a 3.5mm cable. So I'm trying to open this one up and let's see what is inside this bag right here. Alright, so here are the cables. So you got one 90 degrees angle cable and one straight 3.5 on the other end. Alright, and then you got USB-C, USB-A to USB-C cable. So we can open that. Now inside this bag here is the headphone itself. It's even got a QR code that you can scan it. So say here, scan me to extend product warranty by another 6 months. Alright, so I'm going to open this one up and let's check it out inside the bag. So it's just need to open up a little bit more and I can fully expand the bag. Now this is the headphone inside. So there's nothing in here, silica gel. And the headphone here has even got the left and right side. So here it is, right? It's fairly heavy. I feel like there are some weight with this headphone. Touching on the pad, it feels nice and soft. And in here there is also another pad. Now the headphone itself, you can turn it back and forth and up and down to a certain angle. So here I would say around maybe somewhat 20-25 degree. So you can kind of like expand it out like this and then turn up and down. So up here we can pull out. So it's got here 5, 10, 15, so 1.5 centimeter or up to 25 mils. So that is on the left and on the right. So both sides can be extended out to accommodate your headset. You can also collapse it like that to make it smaller. So you can make it smaller that way, or you can collapse it on the left hand side, or you can collapse it on the right hand side. Right, so that's that here. At the bottom here, there is a USB-C charging port with an indicator light. On the other side is a 3.5mm headphones jack where you can plug it directly into a computer. There's an active noise cancellation button where you can press on it to cancel out the noise. So when you put this on your headphone with ANC active noise cancellation turned on, it will block out the outside noise. And then you got the microphone hole right here. There is a power button. You can press on it to turn on. Now this box has been sitting on the shelf for fairly some time, but the battery is still there. So it holds up the battery quite well by the look of it. There is there is a volume key down and up. On the up button there is a small button, so when you touch on the volume key you can feel the little bump or little dot right there. That will give you an idea that when you press on that bump there, the volume will be increased, and on the other end, on the opposite end, it will decrease the volume. And here when you press on the power button, it says on. The light is now flashing red, quickly red and blue. So this maybe appears the device is in pairing mode or ready for connection. So it is now in discovery mode. So if you have a device, so here if I go to my mobile device, I assume we can detect the headphone. My phone is now in do not disturb, so I'm going to turn off do not disturb. So I turn off do not disturb and also sleep. Okay, so we need to turn off sleep as well. So I got too much there. Alright, so I'm going to turn off sleep. Alright, so that's sleep. Okay, so on my device here. Alright, so on my Android device, I'm going to go into Bluetooth, and then I'm going to connect to the ZEN Hybrid. So you can see now the headphone is in discovery mode. My phone can detect it, so I can just tap on that, and I should be able to pair it with my headphone. So pairing with the device is very easy as well. I'm going to disconnect it. Now it shows here there are 40% battery remaining on the device itself, which is really cool because it's been sitting in the box for I don't know over a year now, so could be close to a year, and it still have a lot of battery left in this device, so the battery holds up very well. In terms of the audio quality, we can test it right now. So I'm going to say play something on YouTube. Okay, so now I'm wearing the headphones. It is quite comfortable to wear. It's not very heavy. The padding is quite soft, and when I wear it, I don't feel like there is a lot of compression on the side. It's quite nice to wear. In terms of playing the audio quality, it is excellent. It has an active noise cancellation button on the side here. You can press it and that will block out all the noise, and when I play the music it sounds great. Nice bass. The audio is loud but not very loud. Very nice to play. The music sounds great with this headphone. When you play the song, I love it. I actually love this headphone. The color looks great. The white color looks great. It's comfortable to wear, and the sound audio is great, and the price is fairly well priced within our range. So what are some of the features with this headphone? So here you got 27 hours of playtime with ANC on, and you got Bluetooth. Obviously you got Bluetooth here. You can also use an analog connectivity cable. So there is a 3.5 millimeter cable that you can connect to your headphone, and the cool thing is it also works with Siri and Google Assistant. It also has a powerful acoustics built into the device. You can turn off ANC, and this will allow you to go to ambient mode. In ambient mode, you can listen to the audio in your headphone, and it also allow you to listen to the noise in your surroundings. So sometimes when you wear your headphone, you cannot actually hear your surrounding sound. So by turning on ambient mode, you will be able to hear the noise or when someone's speaking outside or surround you. So overall, it is a very nice headphone to use. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.